Hello friends, welcome to Physics with Ben. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to those that need it. In today's class, I want us to look at derivation of the three equations of uniformly accelerated motion. So let's begin with the first equation. The first equation. The first equation is given from the acceleration of a body is equals to the final velocity minus the initial velocity divided by time t. Let's call this our equation star. Now if we cross multiply, we are going to have v minus u is equals to at. And so if we make v the subject of the formula, we have it that our v is equals to u plus at. This is the first equation of uniformly accelerated motion. Next up, we are going to derive the second equation. The second equation of uniformly accelerated motion is the equation that describes the distance covered by a moving object. Let this distance be represented with the symbol s, and let this distance be equals to the average velocity times the time taken for this object to move. Let us call this equation star star. Good. Now, but the average velocity of a moving object is given to be the final velocity plus the initial velocity divided by 2. Let us call this equation star star star. Now we are going to substitute the whole of this into this. And when we do that, we're going to have our distance s is equals to v plus u divided by 2 and times t. Let us call this our equation star 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 star. Good. Now recall that from v is equals to u plus at, we are going to substitute the whole of u plus at. We are going to substitute the whole of u plus at into equation star star star. That is to say, we are going to substitute the whole of u plus at in the place of v in equation star star star. And when we do that, we're going to have s is equals to u plus at plus u divided by 2 times t. This is the same thing as if we sum up the u's, we have 2u plus at divided by 2 times t. S is equals to that. So if we evaluate that correctly, we have it that our S is equals to 2ut plus at divided by 2 times t. Sorry, yeah, not times t this time. So if we split the fraction, sorry, this is t squared. Yes, from 2u times t we'll have 2ut, and at times t will have at squared. So we are going to have 80 squared here. So if you split the fraction, you're going to have 2ut divided by 2 plus at squared divided by 2. So this 2 will cancel out this 2. Then you are left with 2 ut plus at squared all over 2. So therefore, the distance s is given to be ut plus half at squared. This is the second equation of uniformly accelerated motion. Let us derive the third equation. The third equation is derived as follows. The distance covered by a moving object is equal to the average velocity times time. And we know that this is the same thing as v plus u divided by 2 times t. S is equal to that. So let's call this our equation A. Let's call this our equation A. Now recall that from v is equals to u plus at. We are going to make t the subject formula here and then substitute the results in equation A. If we do that correctly, we're going to have it as t is equals to v minus u divided by a. Let's call this equation B. So we are going to substitute equation B into equation A. We know that our t is equals to v minus u over a. So we substitute the value of this t into equation A. That is equation B into equation A. And if we do that correctly, we have that our S is equals to v plus u divided by 2 times v minus u divided by a. If you work this out, you're going to have the following. We have our S is equals to, let me rewrite this again. Our S is equals to v plus u divided by 2 times v minus u divided by a. So we are going to expand the brackets. So v times v will have v squared. V times minus u will have minus uv. Plus u times v will have plus uv. Plus u times minus u will have minus u squared. Then you divide this. 2 times a, you have 2a. So S is equal to this. So you can see that plus uv minus uv plus minus uv plus uv will cancel out each other. And so we are left with v squared minus u squared divided by 2a. So if you evaluate that correctly, your S is equals to v squared minus u squared divided by 2a. At this point, we cross multiply. So we'll have our v squared minus u squared is equals to 2as. So therefore, v squared is equals to u squared plus 2as. This is the third equation for uniformly accelerated motion. In summary, we started from this point to this point to this point. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification for more videos. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.